Check this out. Q-tip. The water starts to boil.
If I just rub a spot of blood, watch, it turns into a live ladybug.
The bill is completely unharmed. Like this. Now look, all we have to do is wait. And it looks like the Ace of Hearts changes into coffee appears in the cups just like that. Cup full of soda, watch. If I just cover it with the scarf, look. It turns into water. EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 5 easy tricks that look like real magic.
Real magic does exist.
Wow.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. Check this out. Q-tip. The water starts to boil. What? This is actually super easy to do, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Here is the secret to the magic boiling water trick. All you need is a Q-tip, some of this spray right here. This is Dove deodorant spray, and some fizzy water. You're gonna fill up a cup of sparkling water just like this. Then take your Q-tip and you're going to soak the end of it with the deodorant spray. Now all you have to do is dunk this in the water and the magic will happen. Look at that, so cool. It looks like the Q-tip is somehow just boiling the water. I think this is actually the butane that is a propellant inside the deodorant, and it's like turning into bubbles. It looks super magical. Nothing in my hands except for this little pocket knife. I'm going to unfold one of the blades just like this. Be very careful as we do it. Now look, I'm going to take the pocket knife. I'm actually going to poke one of my fingers just like that, and you can see a little spot of blood begins to form on my finger, but don't worry, this is just magic, it's just an illusion. So watch, I take my other finger on my other hand. If I just rub the spot of blood, watch, it turns into a live ladybug. Okay, Sasha, I have a really cool card trick to show you. When's the last time you saw a really good card trick?
Oh, it's been a long time. I don't get much opportunity to see magic.
Okay, so check this out. I have 2 cards and they have holes punched right through the middle of them.
Can I do that?
Like that? Yeah, sure.
Okay,
You
that's
can
real.
see? Yep.
That's real.
So both the cards, it's 2 aces. The Ace of Clubs and the Ace of Hearts. You can see? So which one would you choose? The Ace of Clubs or the Ace of Hearts?
Ace of Hearts.
You choose the Ace of Hearts. So look, take the Ace of Clubs and kind of wave it over the Ace of Hearts. Perfect. Just like that.
Is that enough?
I think so.
Okay.
Now look, we take the Ace of Clubs and we put it face down on the Ace of Hearts like this. Now look, all we have to do is just wave, and it looks like the Ace of Hearts changes into a square-shaped hole, just like that.
Wow.
Check it out.
That was awesome. That really changed. That was a really good card trick.
This trick is called a whole new hole. It is available now at EvanEraTV.com. This is one of my favorite tricks in a long time. It's super easy to do. Anyone can do this trick and it looks so magical. So you have these 2 cards right here, the Ace of Hearts and the Ace of Clubs. They look completely normal. You can slide your finger through the hole, and then you have the spectator choose one of the cards. So all they have to do is wave the ace over the other ace like this, and look, you just put the 2 cards together, and look, this looks like such an amazing visual when that hole just somehow changes into a square. So this is really easy. It's actually 3 cards and they are magnetic. They all stick together like this, but they look like normal paper cards. To start the trick, you have these cards sandwiched together and they stick because of the magnets. So now you can show them very openly on the front and back, and then all you have to do is line them up like this, and this middle card right here is actually double-sided and it's going to stick to this one. So now it looks like the circular hole has somehow just magically morphed into a square. You can hand the Ace of Hearts immediately to the spectator to look at it. They can inspect it to their heart's content. And since you just handed them the Ace of Clubs to wave over the card, they won't suspect a thing. A whole new hole is available now at EvanEraTV.com. It makes a perfect gift for the holidays. Check out our online magic shop at the link in the description. You can get this trick and a whole lot more, or stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win this magic trick for free. The magic 2 cup trick. So I have 2 empty cups here. You can see both of the cups are completely empty. Nothing inside. Now look, if I just give the cups a little bit of a magical wave and a shake, watch what happens. The magic happens right now. Coffee appears in the cups just like that. That's so crazy. Stay tuned for the secret to this trick coming up next. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. So you need 2 cups, and you're also going to need a styrofoam plate. Start out by cutting the plate just like this, until you have this right here. This little circle of styrofoam is the entire secret to the trick. This is going to act as a false bottom for the cup. We're going to hide the coffee inside the cup before the trick starts, before we show this to the audience. It's easiest to work with if the coffee is cold when you do this. Take the foam disc and wedge it down in the cup just like this, so that it forms a tight seal and locks the coffee into the bottom of the cup. Now we can take both cups and show them empty to the audience. You can even turn both of the cups upside down to further convince the audience that there's no liquid inside. Slowly squeeze the sides of the cup and your false bottom will open up to where the coffee actually drains out. We don't want to do it all at once, so you just gently squeeze and it kind of looks like you just have this endless stream of coffee coming out of the cup. Money and an envelope. Check this out. I take the money and put it down inside the envelope just like this. And I'm actually going to close up the flap of the envelope. Boom. So now the money is trapped inside, and we're going to take a pair of scissors. Watch this. We're actually going to cut through the envelope. Watch this. Look. The bill is completely unharmed. And stay tuned for the secret. This trick is super easy to do. I'm going to teach you right now. All you have to do is take an envelope and cut out this section right here. So now that we have this back section of the envelope cut out, we keep this hidden from the spectator's view, and when we slide the money into the envelope, you can see when we're cutting it, we're not actually cutting through the bill, we're only cutting through the envelope. And it creates this really crazy illusion of them seeing the envelope being clearly cut in half, but somehow the money is totally unharmed. I have a cup full of soda here. Check this out. I also have a sash. I'm going to drape this over the cup of soda. Now watch, if I just give it a little bit of a magic wave, the soda turns into water just like that. You're gonna start out by filling the cup with water. Shout out to Liquid Death for sponsoring this video. Now the next thing you're going to need is this right here. This is the entire secret to the trick. It's a little piece of black cloth with a piece of fishing line run right through the middle. You wanna run the piece of fishing line right through the center of the piece of black cloth, and then tie a knot on the other end to anchor it right in the middle so that it hangs just like this. Now you're going to take this and dunk it down inside the water just like so and let it absorb. Now you can see once we have the piece of black fabric submerged down in the water, it really starts to look like soda. Now we want to hide this by draping it on the back of the cup like so. Combine that with a bottle of soda and it really creates a convincing illusion that this is a cup of cold pop.
Give me a cold pop.
Then all you need to change the soda to water is a scarf or something else to cover it. Grab the piece of fishing line and lift up. What that's going to do from an exposed view here is lift the piece of black fabric out of the water and hide it underneath the scarf. That way the audience doesn't ever see this and it looks like the soda changes from the darkness of a soda instantly to crystal clear water. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up and share it with someone who you think might like it too. And it is giveaway time. I am giving away 5 of our brand new trick called A Whole New Hole, available now at EvanEraTV.com. If you want to win this trick for free, all you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section of this video, be subscribed to the channel with your notifications turned on, and give this video a big thumbs up. I'll be going through the comments section and picking random comments to win the magic, so be sure to leave your comments down below. I read all of them. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to all of our winners. Instructions on how to claim your prize are in the description of this video. Be sure to check that out. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, catch up by watching it right up here. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.